This is N5023. Here is the pin. The pin is firmly installed here. Now we put the nails in the nail box. Turn on the thrusters before installing the nails. Here is the thrusters. Thrusters out. Here's a buckle to get stuck. This is the staple we tested. We put the nails in this nail groove. Then push it in. Press the button here. Nails are loaded. We pull the nails out. Connect air pump. This is the nailing effect. Need to hold the trigger. Hold the handle. This one goes straight to the plank. If the nails are not finished, can be returned. Here are the unfinished nails. Let's just pull this thruster back here. Nails are out.